Alright guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to change a tire on a piece of equipment that's been dropped on the ground. Why not? These arms out to get some stability because he says it keeps sliding down into the ditch over here. He said he don't think I'll be able to do it. What do y'all think? I got this. What do you think, Pesci? I got this. I'm the roadside guy, baby. Alright, sorry I had to take a phone call real quick, but got the Pittsburgh under the axle here. Go ahead and lift this up. Okay, so we moved the jack to the back and we ended up digging a hole because digging a hole was a lot easier because as we were jacking up, it kept wanting to slide down. So put the jack in the back here and might need to fill this dirt in a little bit before I let that jack down. So it's not so low. I can get back out of that hole. But sometimes digging a hole is a lot easier than everything else that you could do. So that's what we did in this situation here. And so far it worked. We'll let the jack down, put the booms up, the outriggers, whatever. And we should be out of here. Tell them, Pesci, we out, baby.